box break number 23, Michael Jordan. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. We're going to roll the dice. And we're going to go 6 and a 2, 8 times. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We got John Parsons up top down to John Parker at the bottom. A lot of John P's in this break. There we go. Now 8 times on the list of players. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. McCaffrey down to Chad Kelly.
Thanks for your patience, folks. This break's going to take about an hour. And once we're done with this, we're going to have about an hour left in the break. And I hope, like Kevin Crouch and...
So you go. I'll go through the list kind of slowly here. And then I'll A through Z it. So there's the list right there. And here's the other part of the list. Allen, you got some spots there. Gamaliel. You got Jackson. You got John Parker for a bunch right there. And if you're on YouTube, you can just pause the video and then read them off or whatever you'd like to do. I'll name them off once we go along. John Parsons and then J-Mac. Alright, so let's randomize the boxes. We got 1 through 9. That's actually 6. 1 through 8. Box 4, it is. Box 4. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Got my blue tape here in case some of these cards just fly out of the top loader. So we always like to secure them. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Nothing in there. First one up, numbered. Not numbered, actually, but it's inscribed. Wisconsin Badgers 2013 to 2016. It's a nice one. TJ Watt. Nice hit there. TJ Watt, J-Mac with that one. There you go, J-Mac. Nice start. TJ Watt was one of your free spots as well. One from the last break. We got the Cowboys backup quarterback. A nice 2-color patch auto Cooper Rush. Cooper Rush. Who's got Cooper Rush? That's Gamaliel. There you go. We got a inscribed Go Giants 8 out of 25. Davis Webb. That's going out to John Parker. Here you go, John. Nice hit there. Inscribed Go Giants. The next one is a clear auto. Going on to Alan Murdoch. James Quick. Is he related to Brian Quick? Alan with that one. Nice. And last hit of the break is a nice one. It's a clear autograph. The Clemson quarterback, Deshaun Watson. Who got Deshaun in this one? John Parker. Nice. Congrats, John. There you go, sir. Deshaun Watson auto. And that nice clear acetate. It's a nice box there. Leaf Trinity number 23. I'll post the next one to the store, number 24. Valiant Football. Another Leaf product coming up next.